Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sir Muhammad Ali, and this video is related to guest paper of BSc, part 1 Math, Physics, and part 2 of Organic Chemistry or Chemistry 4. So I request all students please like and subscribe my channel, and also share with your friends, and also come and also review my guest paper so that you may get good marks and secure high marks. Okay, so okay, let's start from BSc part 1 paper. This is question: show that minus 2 plus 3 iota. Iota is main topic of mathematics. Locus point Z, find all roots by De Moivre theorem. Cubes roots, convergence and divergence, continuity of function. I have mentioned the topic, so you may do a question from yourself. And proof f of x is sine bracket open m sine minus 1 x. Limit question, chapter 1 1.2 1.1 equation numericals. Log question e 2x power x minus 1. L hospital rules questions. This f of x, x minus x 1 minus x is you have to plot the graph. Lagrange mean value theorem. Okay, so I have also okay, so you can see that this is BSc part 1, page number 1 questions. And now we are now it's go to math section B, where you have to perform show that in group G. This is most important question, and find lambda vectors and linear independent. This is also main question. Mean value theorem, Fourier series, sine 5x of dx, 0x of sine cos dx is equal to 1 over 2 3x plus 1 divided by 2. This order of permutation give transport formation, and this bracket cross sign. So I have already informed you that I mentioned the basically topic. You have to perform the related relevant example from your books and exercise. Okay, we are now move to page number 3, which is known as section C. As you know that there are 4 section will become in the mathematics paper. Also paper will be easy, but it will be lengthy paper, so you have to perform good marks in mathematics paper. And if you do my paper, and if you do my question paper or do my topic, you will get good marks, almost 90% marks or maybe 100 marks. So matrix A is Hermione or involuntary. This is first question from section C. Symmetric or non-symmetric matrices. Hope so they give the example over there. Find lambda and mu of linear equation, non-trivial solution, and prove this. Maybe this question will become, or I have mentioned the other question as well. But this question will be also come. Might be it something is changed, but hope so same question will become. Might be the value will be changed. You should perform a differential equation, and what is the rank of the matrices, and Gauss-Jordan method, and solve x is equal to 0, equation of ellipse, and orthogonal trajectory y is equal to mx. So this is also section C, in which I have updated most important question. So uh, hope so you see this type of paper. Now we are moved to our last section, which is section D. The numerical which will come is the probability dice or rolls, missile numerical, Cardan's rule, use second method question, undetermined question, dx over dy, dx over dt is equal to y, dy over dt is equal to minus 4x plus 4y. You may perform more example, Newton Raphson method, and d4 plus 2d3 minus 2d. This is also important, more example. And y double 2 minus 25, y single is equal to 0, y double. So hope so you will hope so this question paper will be good for you, and inshallah you will get good marks. uh, if you have any question regarding anything, please just WhatsApp me, not comments on YouTube index. Okay. uh, Inshallah. Now we are move to our physics 1. This is physics 1 paper PSC. You have to attempt only 5 question. Number 1, get the projectile question, in which you have to perform cases. Might be it will become horizontal, total flight, or fire is from particular angle. Advantage of blank curve over flat curve. Free body with a numerical as well. A body of mass 7.5 kg. Conservative force, a body of mass, also known as speed. Center of mass is also important question. Vector, uh, okay. Newton's second and third law. Work done, what is work done, and positive work done and negative work done. Spring numerical. Two unequal mass attached to a solid rod, what mass nearest, light or heavy. This is a reason. Co-collision types, scalar and vector quantity. Work energy equation. Laboratory numerical. Basically what is a laboratory numerical? A particle like this 3.16 kg is moving this particle mass this, or drive final velocity u1 and u2. Elastic collision. Vector may basically you can say that maybe numerical will become unit vector, perpendicular, parallelogram, 8 like this vector. I have also mentioned where you get a value, b value, c value, and you have to find a bar dot b bar is equal to question mark, b dot a bar question mark, and b dot c, etc. Simple pendulum you have to perform, and circular highway topic and numerical. Okay. Now we are moved to section b, where you have to perform this theorem, parallel axis theorem, moment of inertia, angular momentum, precision, calculate mass of an object, Kepler laws, free fall acceleration, Bernoulli equation, fraction of total volume. Example, this is basically is a numerical I have mentioned from my finger. Okay. Height of earth is also a numerical. Torque, where you or escape speed is also a numerical. Okay. We are now move to our second page. A pipe dia, I have mentioned the numerical as well, but hope so this numerical will become, or some value will be changed. So please be care of it, and be kind of prepared yourself for the numerical as well. A pipe dia 34.5 centimeter, water moving 2.62 meter per second. uh, how long will it take discharge 1600 meter cube of H2O. So how long mean how much time will be taking. Okay. And the second numerical is angular momentum, L is equal to T4I minus T2J plus T3K. Find T is equal to 3 second. Okay. Centripetal force never balance centrifugal force. Y. Gravitational potential energy, determine mass of the earth. This is very important question, where you have to mention the T and R. T is the time or in days, and R is the radius of the particular earth, and G is the value of gravitational force, where you have to find the mass of the earth. सम टाइम ये हो सकता है कि भाई मास ऑफ द अर्थ आपको दिया हुआ है, यू हैव टू फाइंड द जी. सो बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दिस वैल्यू ऑफ न्यूमेरिकल एज वेल. नाउ वी आर मूव टू पास्कल प्रिंसिपल. ओके. And then incompressible wall density, 850 flow speed, mass dia numericals. And how aeroplane able to fly, this is a main reason which will become in section B as well. Relation between angular momentum and inertia, you have to you have to do this as well. Viscosity, surface tension, and satellite numerical. So please do this paper as well, and inshallah you may get good marks. If you do my paper, although it is math paper, although it's a physics paper, although it's a chemistry paper, you will get good marks, because you know that zoology part 4 and chemistry, inorganic, physical, and zoology's physics paper, all will become from my paper. All is come from my paper, and Urdu paper, Islamic paper. So keep in touch with us, and inshallah keep doing it. Now I will update the most important paper, which is known as organic paper. So please review that paper also. Okay. So this is a BSc part 1 paper. This is section A. I please do this paper. Okay. We are move to second page, ताकि अगर किसी और को नज़र नहीं आ रहा तो वो आ जाए. आप लोग आज कहेंगे कि मैं क्यों काफ़ी इंग्लिश में बात कर रहा हूँ, बट बस ये है कि काफ़ी ऐसे स्टूडेंट जो है समझ नहीं पाते, उनके लिए भी है. This is the remaining part of section B. I already informed you about numericals of mass of the earth or G value, okay, Bernoulli equation as well. Okay, so now we are moved to organic fourth chemistry paper. Okay, so okay, let us start with question number 1 is benzene electrophile substitution. Benzene do not go undergo addition reaction. Why? Equations: toluene, nitrobenzene, benzoic acid, chlorobenzene of phenol, SN1 and SN2 or E1 or E2 reaction. Arrange nucleify in hydroxylic solvent. शॉर्ट नोट आ सकता है वर्ड्स रिएक्शन, उल्मान रिएक्शन, कैनिजोरो, एल्डोल, गैब्रिक सिंथेसिस, एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन विद एग्जांपल. कंपाउंड इन ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्टिविटी, ये आपको जो है वो IUPAC की नेम दे देगा. व्हाट इज हेट्रोसाइक्लिक एंड होमोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड, इलेक्ट्रोफाइल रिलेशन विद फिनॉल, IUPAC, different kind of IUPAC examiner will be asked, like 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. What do you mean by isomerism? Please perform this question. This is very important question. Isomerism, okay. Stereoisomerism, racemization, specific rotation, enantiomer, metamerism, optical activity, benzene condensation, chiral carbon, Hoffman aldol condensation. Carbohydrate and plastic में notes amines 1 2 and 3 degree. Aromaticity, electrophile and nucleophile addition reaction. Okay, so this is section A. Okay, it also clear video. Okay. Now we are moved to a reason. You have to do reason with your own. Now we are to move to unsaturated and saturated compound, alkyne and alkene, ethane and ethine preparation. Basically might be it will be asked the preparation of ethene and ethine, propine and acetone. Okay. Benzene molecular orbital theory and resonance of benzene very important, and pyridine also. Alpha D glucose and beta D glucose, what is the main difference? Diazonium compound, organometallic compound, give example as well. Aromatic and aliphatic I already discussed previously. Zwitterine sulfonification, glycinide linkage, reducing and non-reducing carbohydrates, tautomerism, alkyl halide gives substitution reaction, Lucas test, cis trans to butane dioxide, acetaldehyde, and propyl and isopropyl alcohol. Okay. Now we are moved to in short note, benzoin condensation, chlorination of CH4 in the presence of the sunlight, phenol reaction, aldosis and ketosis, polysaccharides, peptides linkage, Marconi's rule, benzene preparation, resonance and molecular orbital theory of benzene. If you do my paper, although math paper, physics paper or organic chemistry paper, you will get 90% marks. I always guarantee you that paper will become 100% from my paper. So please do my paper and share with all students, so that everyone take advantage and get prepared herself or himself. So keep in touch with me as well. This is my personal number. You may ask me any question without any hesitation. I will definitely inform you, guide you, inshallah. And I also mentioned that 100% ये आएगा, तो होप सो इंशाल्लाह. अल्लाह ब्लेस यू. एंड अल्लाह लास्ट में बस यही कहूँगा कि अल्लाह ताला तमाम स्टूडेंट को जो भी पेपर दे रहे हैं या पेपर दे जो उनको कामयाब करे, और कोई भी हवाले से मुझसे पूछना चाहें तो पूछ सकते हैं. ठीक है, अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़, टेक केयर.